boys and girls, welcome back to Mystery Granny's Schoolhouse. Today, I'm going to show you how to write the alphabets and show you some pictures of words or objects that begin with the letters accordingly. First, we have the letter A, and I will show you how to write the letter A. You see these arrows here? We go down, and then we go down to the right side. And I have water in this water pen, and it shows when I write on the cards, it shows the colors. So we go down first to the left, down to the right, and then across. That's the letter A. That's the big letter A, the capital letter A. And here's the little a. The little a we write this way. We go around, make a circle, go up, and then come right down. That's a small a. And A is for apple. Apple. Do you want to see an apple? Let me paint this, and I will show you a picture of an apple. Look at this. Isn't this so pretty? There, this is a picture of an apple. The letter capital A, small a. A is for apple. The apple, the fruit that we eat. Next. And there's some other words that begin with the letter A. Those words are A has an A sound or A sound, and it's age, arm, author. They all begin with the letter A. The next letter we have is the letter B. First, the capital letter B, the big B, we write the line going down first. Oh, and it's a yellow color. And then two bumps. That's the letter B. Do you see the arrows going down? So it's down first, and then two big bellies. That's a capital B. The big B, okay? The baby B, the little b, you go down first, and then go back up, and then make a little belly. That's the letter B, small b, lowercase b. And B, the letter B, there's a bird that begins with the letter B, bird. Do you want to see a bird? Let's see, let's paint this to see the bird. Oh, look at this cute little bird. That is so cute. Wow, that is so pretty. Are you guys ready for the letter? What's the letters? The next letter, it's a C. Oh, and let me tell you what other words are available that begin with the letter B. B has a B sound. And some of the words that begin with the letter B are bat, these are animals, bear, and banana. Banana. Those are some of the words that begin with the letter B. Next is the letter C. So C is very simple. You start at the top and you just make a big, almost a circle. You don't go all the way. I'm just going to color that in. And what color is that? Is that green? Some kind of teal looking color. So C, you start here and you go almost all the way like a circle, but you stop right there. That's the letter C. And that's the big C. Big C's we call capital C. And this is a small c. It's the same thing, but we just do it a little smaller. C. And C is for calf. Let's see a little baby calf. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at this baby calf. Are you guys enjoying this as much as I am? Wow, that's a baby calf. It's a baby cow, right? Was it a goat? It's a little baby calf. And there are some animals that starts with the letter C, and they are, it's a cat, a camel, and a centipede. A centipede is like a bug, a wormy bug with a lot of legs. Cat, camel, and centipede. The next letter is the letter what? D. D. This is a capital D. You go straight down first, and then you make a big, I call those bellies. You make a big belly, and I'm just going to color that in. And it's a red D. Down, and then all the way make a big belly. That's a capital D. I think that's pink. And then the baby D, small d, the lowercase d, you go down, and then you make a little behind, I call it. And that's a little baby D. Baby D. And D is for dog. Let's see a dog. There's a dog in here. Let's color. Color. There are two dogs. D is for dogs. How cute. Okay, now let's find some other animals that begin with the letter D. They are the deer, the dolphin, and dragonfly. D. D has the sound D. Dog, deer, dolphin, and dragonfly. Next, we have the letter E. Now let's see, how do we write E? We have to first go down, make a single line down, and across to the right. And then across to the right on the top and the middle part. Do you see the arrows? Down, right, and then right. That's the capital E. That's a capital E. Small e, you start here, and you go halfway around like a half circle, and then you come down and you curve it. That's the small e. Capital E, lowercase e. And E is for eagle. Eagle. Let's find an eagle. Let's paint. Eagle. E is for eagle. Wow, that eagle looks strong. And what are some other animals that begin with the letter E? Let's see. We have an egg. Okay, these are not animals. These are some words. E, egg, eraser, and elephant. E, eraser, egg, and elephant. Those are some of the words that begin with the letter E. Next comes the letter F. Capital F, you go down, across to the right. Wait, what color is this? Oh, okay, it's gray. I'm just gonna color it in. Gray F. So down, across. That's the capital F. Lowercase f, small f, you go down and you just cross that line right there. Down and cross. That's a small f. F for fly. F for fly. So what's in here? There's a fly in here. Let's find the fly. Whoa, that's a big fly. It's a big fly. Do you guys like flies? That's a big fly. F for fly. What other words are there that begin with the letter F? Let's see. There's fish, finger, like these fingers right here. Finger and friend. Do you guys have friends? Friends are nice to have, aren't they? Okay, F. Fish, finger, and friend. Next comes the letter G. G. You start off by going almost creating a whole circle, almost, not all the way. You go up, and then you go from left to right and then down. So almost a circle, left to right and then down. That's a capital G. Small g, lowercase g's, they are written like this. It's a small circle. You go up and then you go all the way down and you curve right there. Just like that. That's a small g. G is for gorilla. Uh-oh, there's a gorilla in here. I'm so scared. Okay, let's see what the gorilla looks like. Oh no. Is the gorilla scary? Let me see. He doesn't look that scary. Gorilla. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. And what are other words that begin with the letter G? They are gorilla, G, game, goose, green. Those are some other words that begin with the letter G. Next comes the letter H. You go down, down, across, and then down again. That's the letter H. Down, across, down. That's capital H. Small h, you go down, and then a hump, and that's it. You go down and like a loop, down and around like that. H is for horse. H has a sound. Horse. And there's a horse in here, so let's find out what the horse looks like. Oh, that's a pretty horse. It almost looks like a unicorn. Are you guys having fun? Granny's having such a good time. Okay, H is for horse. Horse. And there are some other words that begin with the letter H, such as hope. H has a sound. And there's hope, there's head, there's the hand. Okay, the next letter is the letter I. The big I, you just go straight down. That's it. The letter I, that's a capital I. The small I, the lowercase I, you go down, make a small, just a straight line down, and then a dot on top. That's a small I. I is for ink. I has the sound I. So it's I, ink. Okay, what kind of ink? Let me see. Oh, like the writing ink. That is pretty. Now, there are some other words that begin with the letter I, such as the letter I has a sound of or I. In this case, it's I sound, so ice. But in this one, it's I. Oh, this is also I. Idea. But this one, the letter I has the sound I. So this is called not inch, but it's called inch, like 1 inch, 2 inches. Next, we have the letter J. J goes all the way down, and like a cane, you curve it. That's the letter J. Go all the way down and curve. The small j is the same thing, but a smaller, shorter version, and then there's a dot at the top. So capital J, lowercase j, small j, big J, small j, and J stands for jacket. J has the sound j. So this is jacket. So there must be a jacket inside this, behind this white, clear. That's a nice jacket. Is that a leather jacket? Okay, that's a nice jacket. So, what are some other words that begin with the letter J? J has the sound j. So, we have jam, jam, job, January. The letter J, jam, job, January. Earthquake. Let me move these. Okay, next comes the letter K. The letter K, capital K, you go down. Whoa, it's a nice blue color. You go straight down and then you slant. There's a slanting line and then a slanting line going down towards the right. So down, slant down, another slant down to the right. That's capital K. And K has the sound k, k, k. And here's a lowercase k, a small k. Down, it's similar, but it doesn't go way up on top. Down, and it's the same order. That's a small k. And K stands for koala. Koala is an Australian bear, right? So let's see. Koala, where are you? There you are. What a cute little baby koala. It's a koala bear. How cute. So pretty. Are you enjoying this as much as I am? I'm having so much fun. Okay, what are some other words that begin with the letter K? The letter K has the sound k, k, k. So we have the k, k, key, k, k, kite. And this one is very special because even though there's a k, k, K in the front, we don't say that sound. It's like it's not even there. We call this a knife. I don't know why that K is there, but we just ignore that sound and we call this a knife. But when we write it, we put the K in the front. I don't know why. Okay, moving right along. The letter L. The capital letter L goes down and then across from left to right. That's capital L. L has the sound L, L, L. And a small lowercase l, we just go down a straight line. That's it. That's lowercase l. And L has the sound L, L. L is for lion. There's a lion. Oh, is that a scary lion? It looks like the lion is angry. I think it's angry because we're opening him up and we're able to see him. He doesn't want to be seen. Okay, L is for lion, and there's some other words that begin with the letter L. L is L, L sound, right? So, leg, L, L, leg. Lamb, lamb. Ladybird, ladybird. Those are some words that begin with the letter L. Next, I think we're about halfway done. The next letter is the letter M. You go down, straight, down, slanted down. You go down, down, up, and then down. That's the order, okay? Look at the arrow. Down, down, up, and then down. That's the letter M, the capital M. This is the lowercase m. We go down and 2 loops, and that is the lowercase m. Down, 2 bumps, and that's the small m. M has the sound m, m. M is for monkey. Monkey. There's a monkey in here. Let's see what kind of monkey. It's a cute little monkey. Do you guys like monkeys? They're so cute. Wow, that is a cute little monkey on a farm. M is for monkey. Monkey. And there's some other words that begin with the letter M. They are, M has a m sound, right? So M is for map, mug, and moon. M has an sound. Okay, next is the letter N. N goes down, and up. So down, up. Down, up. That's the order. That's the capital N. This is the lowercase n, the small n. Down and then a bump. Down and a bump. Small n. N has a sound that goes n. Notebook. N is for notebook. We have a notebook here. Notebook. Oh, they're talking about a laptop and notebook. Notebook. Okay, that's nice. And there's some other words that begin with the letter N. N has a n sound. So N is for nose, necklace, and newspaper. N is for nose, necklace, and newspaper. Now let's continue. Next is the letter O. Capital O, you just draw a circle. Capital O, you just draw a circle. Small o is the same way, you just draw a smaller one. And O has a sound of ah, or o. In this case, it's octopus. Ah, octopus. There's an octopus right here. Let's find out what the octopus looks like. Wow, look at those eyes. The octopus has big eyes. Octopus lives in the sea. Octopus. That is a very pretty octopus. And there are some letters, and there are some words that begin with the letter O. Ah, octopus. Ah, octopus. Or owl. Or the O has the sound of O as well. And in this case, this is ocean. Ocean. O, orange, or orange. Orange. Next is the letter P. The letter P, the big P and the small p, they look pretty close, but it's a little different. The big P goes straight down the line, and then you make a bump on the top. Down, and in the small P you go down, but you go back up, and then you make a circle. Down, back up, and circle. Down, and then you lift your pen up, and you do a half, like a belly. With the small P, you go down, you go right back up, and make a complete circle. The P has the sound p. And in this case, P is for parrot. There's a parrot here. Let's color and find out what the parrot looks like. It's a cute parrot. Do you like these watercolor pens? This is just water inside. And when you get these cards wet, they show the pictures inside. So the P, the letter P, has the sound p. Peach, peacock, penguin, p. Peach, peacock, penguin. Next is the letter Q. Q, you do a whole circle, and then you So it's a blue. You do a complete big circle and you draw that little tail that goes out like this. That's Q. Capital Q, small lowercase q. And the lowercase, you do a circle, you go complete circle, and then you go back down. Complete circle and go down. That's a small q. Q has the sound k, k. So Q is for queen. Queen. There's a queen behind this white. There's a queen. Queen. The letter Q has the sound k, k, and there are some other words with the k, k sound, and they are k, quit, k, quit, k, quality, k, quality, quantity, quantity. We're almost done, boys and girls. Hang in there. The letter is R. You go down. You go down first, and then you make a bump, like a big belly, and then you go right down to the right side. Down, bump, and out. That's the capital R. R has the sound R, R. Lowercase r, the small r, you go down, you go right back up, and you curve a little bit. Down and right. That's R. R has the sound R. R as in rabbit. Rabbit. There's a rabbit behind this. Let's reveal the rabbit. Oh, and it's a cute little rabbit. What a cute little bunny. It's a rabbit. And what other words can we find that start with R? R, R, rose, rose, rain, rain, road, road. There are some very nice words. The next letter is the letter S. S. S is easy to write. It's just one line, squiggly, curvy, one line. You go to the left, you curve to the right, and you go right back to the left. And I'm just going to color this in to make it pretty. But it goes from right to left, swerve, swerve again, and it's a letter S. S has the letter sound S. And the small s is the same way. You just make it smaller. So small s. Capital S, lowercase s. S has the sound S, S, S. And it's for snake. Why did I bring my hand out here? Okay, let's reveal. There's a snake. Are you afraid of snakes? But this is a friendly looking snake, isn't it? S for snake. 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 And what other words are there that begins with the letter S? There's sun, swan, swing, swing. Okay, next is the letter T. You go down, make a straight line first, and then across. That's the capital T. Capital T has the sound T, T. Lowercase t, you go down, curve, and across. And it's written a little smaller. Down, curve, and then across. That's the T, baby T. T has the sound T, T, T. For tiger. Tiger. There's a tiger. Let's see the tiger. It's a baby tiger. And it's very cute. Baby tiger. Tiger. That's really pretty. Now, what are some other words that begin with the letter T? T has the sound T, T. For taxi, T, T. Table, T, T. Turkey, T, T, T. Okay, we're almost at the end. The letter U, the big letter U, is just one single stroke. You go down, curve, and back up. That's what U is. So, the big capital U, you go down, curve, and back up. The small U, you go down, curve, you go up, and then you come back down. Down, curve, go up, and back down. That's the baby lowercase u. U has the sound as an umbrella. As an umbrella. There's an umbrella here for rainy days. Umbrella. Umbrella. It's a purple umbrella. Umbrella. Some other words that begin with the letter U that has the sound or U sound. U or In this case, it's the U sound. Use. And in this word, it has the sound so it's uncle. And in the last word, it has the U sound, and it's university. Use, uncle, university. Sometimes we sound it out as U or Okay, the letter V. You go down and come right back up. That's it. And this is a pink. So you go down and come back up. Down and up. And in the small lowercase, it's the same thing. You just write it smaller. Down and up. Down and up. V has the sound of v, as in vase. Vase. So there's a vase here. A vase with flowers. A vase with flowers. V sound. And some other words are value, violin, victory, V sound. W, you go down, up, just twice. The same motion twice. The lowercase small w is the same thing. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. W has the sound whale. Whale. There's a whale behind here. Come on out, whale. And the whale is so adorable. How cute is that? Oh, the animals are so pretty. Look how cute that is. W, whale. And what are some other words that begin with the letter W? Wolf. Walrus. Woodpecker. Sound. X. X is simple, just across, down. Oops, wrong pen. Across, down. Just down, down. That's the big capital letter, down, down. Small letter, down, down. You just write it smaller. And the letter X has the sound z, as in xylophone. Xylophone. Xylophone is an instrument. And this is what it looks like. Have you seen a xylophone before? There are metal, colorful metal pieces, and there are two wooden sticks or plastic, and you hit those long or short metal pieces and it makes different sounds, and you can make music, beautiful music. X has the sound z, z, xylophone. Let's see what other words there are. Z, z, xylophone. X, x-ray. Xanadu. Z, z, zero copy. X-ray, Xanadu, zero copy. What is zero? X, zero, X0 copy? That is a strange word. Okay. The next is Y. And that's the order. You go from upper left going down to the right, and then from right upper going down, and then straight down. That's the capital, and this is the small lowercase. Y has y sound. Y is for yacht. Y is for yacht. Okay, you guys know what a yacht is? It's like a big boat. See? It's like a boat. Whoa. Would you like to go on a boat? A yacht? Would you like to go on a yacht on the ocean? Okay. Y. Yacht. And some other Y words are Y, youth. Yellow. Yesterday. Okay, we're on our last letter. The letter Z. Z is easy. It's just left to the right, right to down, and then right, left to right again. That's the capital Z. The small lowercase z is the same thing. You just write it smaller. And Z has the sound of z, z, z. Z is for zebra. And there's a zebra here. Boy, today's lesson is very long. If this is too long for you, you can watch this video in small portions, okay? You can do a few letters, turn it off, come back the next day or the next time and watch small sections, okay? You don't have to watch the whole thing. It'll be way too long and maybe past your bedtime. Okay, so the letter Z has the sound z, z, zebra. And let's look at some last words that begin with the letter Z. Z, 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 zoo, z, z, zip, z, z, zero. And that is it, boys and girls. Look at all these alphabets we went through today. Wow, we had a long class. And you know what? When the water dries up, the pictures go away. Uh-oh, the apple's gone. The bird is here. The calf is almost going away. And the dogs are going away too. So the next time when all these cards are dry, they're all going to be white like this again. All right. Well, I thank you, boys and girls, for coming to Granny's schoolhouse. I hope you had fun. I sure did. And let me color this one more time. And I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something each time you come to Granny's schoolhouse. Okay. May God bless you, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.